Good morning everyone. Next we come to is accounting treatment of goodwill. In case of accounting treatment of goodwill, now the purpose of calculating goodwill is actually not showing goodwill in the books of accounts, but for compensation purpose. That is, when the profit and loss sharing ratio changes, some partners stand to gain in future and some partners stand to sacrifice in future. Now, how to calculate this gaining and sacrificing amount or compensation amount? For this purpose, goodwill is being calculated. Journal entry will be gaining partners capital account or current account in case of fixed capitals, debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account for adjustment of goodwill on change in P&L ratio. Alternatively, according to the second method, in case the question says that goodwill is to be raised, then it will be written off also. In case the goodwill is to be raised, goodwill is an asset, goodwill will be debited at its full value. To partners, all partners capital or current accounts in their old ratio. Okay. Then it will be written off. All partners capital or current accounts debit to goodwill account in the new ratio, though the net effect of these two entries will be the same as this entry, net effect entry. This is also known as the net effect entry. That is gaining partners capital or current account debit to sacrificing partners capital or current account. Right. Question number 8 for this. A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:1. They decided that with effect from 1st April 2020, they would share profits in the ratio of 3:2. But this decision was taken after the profit for the year 31st March 90,000 was already distributed. तो ये past adjustment का आ जाएगा, इसको भी हमें करना है, right? Then firm's goodwill was valued on the basis of aggregate, right, of 2 years profits, total of 2 years profits. Profit of the 2 years was 60,000 and 75,000 respectively. Okay. Now they decided that the goodwill account is not to be opened. So net effect entry. Okay. Their capitals were 1,50,000 and 90,000 respectively. Solution. First step will always be, we are going to calculate the gaining and the sacrificing ratio. A's old ratio between A and B is 2:1. Okay. New ratio is 3:2. So first we calculate the gaining and sacrificing for A. 2:3, old ratio minus new ratio, 3/5, it comes to 1/50. B, old ratio 1/3 minus 2/5, it gives us 1 minus 1/50. So A sacrifices and B is gaining, because B's new share is more and A's new share is less. Next step, calculation of goodwill. Aggregate of 2 years profits. 2 years profits were 60,000 plus 75,000, 1,35,000. So 1,35,000 is the total goodwill of the firm. Now, in this we are going to calculate the gaining and the sacrificing ratio. तो A का था 1,35,000 इंटू 1/15 गेन के बराबर, A के सैक्रिफाइस के बराबर 9,000 आ गया. इन द सेम वे B का भी 1/15 था लेकिन उसका गेन था 1,35,000 इंटू 1/15 9,000. नाउ द जर्नल एंट्री विल बी gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. B gains. So B's capital account debit 9,000 to A's capital account 9,000 for adjustment of goodwill on change in P&L ratio. इसका मतलब ये है कि B फ्यूचर में B गेन कर रहा है 1/15 और A is sacrificing by 1/15. So B should compensate to A because in future B will be getting more profit, but this will be only with the amount of gain, the ratio that he gains. Okay. Now in case second method अगर question कहता है कि you have to raise goodwill and write off goodwill, then goodwill account debit 1,35,000 full value से करेंगे, to A's capital account to B's capital account old ratio, 1,35,000 को old ratio में divide करेंगे, 2:1 थी. Goodwill is being raised and then we are going to write off the goodwill. A's capital account debit to B, A's capital account debit, B's capital account debit in the new ratio. New ratio is 3:2. 1,35,000 को 3:2 की ratio में divide करेंगे. To goodwill account 1,35,000. That is goodwill being written off. Now the net effect of both will be the same, 9,000 and 9,000. Okay. A is being credited with 90,000 and debited with 81,000. The net effect is A is debited with 9,000. B is credited with 45,000, debited with 54,000. So A is being debited with 45 minus 9,000. Okay. Difference. ये A is debited and B is being credited. Sorry. B का credit is more. Okay. Right. Now the distribution of profit. Past adjustment. Profit 90,000 was already distributed in the old ratio. 2:1. 60,000, 30,000. So we are going to debit this. It is to be distributed in the new ratio, that is 3:2. New ratio is 3:2, so 54,000, 36,000 will be credited. The difference between the two, A debit 6,000, B credit 6,000. So the journal entry is A's capital account debit to B's capital account 6,000. Adjustment of profit on change in P&L ratio. Now the capitals, I haven't prepared the capital accounts, just calculated. A's capital was 1,50,000, debit for profit 6,000, credit for goodwill 9,000. Balance carried down comes to 1,53,000. B's capital was 90,000, credit 6,000 for profit, debit 9,000 for goodwill. Balance comes to 87,000. Right? Thank you.